Welcome. Today we're presenting a review of a supplement called Liv Pure, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly what it is, how it works, and whether it's worth trying. So, what exactly is Liv Pure? At its core, it's a dietary supplement designed to target the root cause of stubborn weight gain, poor liver function. Your liver isn't just about detox, it's the engine that helps your body burn fat and process nutrients. The idea here is simple. If your liver is sluggish, your metabolism slows down. Liv Pure is meant to give that engine the boost it needs. Let's talk ingredients for a second because they're pretty interesting. You've got things like Silymarin, a compound from milk thistle known for supporting liver health. Then there's Berberine, which can help regulate metabolism. Add to that Resveratrol, genistein, and choline. Together they make a strong mix for both detoxification and fat metabolism. So how does it actually work? The approach is twofold. First, it supports liver detox and regeneration, and second, it helps your liver convert stored fat into usable energy. Over time, with consistent use, the expectation is improved energy levels, easier weight management, and overall better health. Of course, safety matters. This formula is made with natural ingredients, free from stimulants, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility. Speaking of supplies, let's break down the pricing. There are three main bundles: the 2-bottle package, a 60-day supply at $79 per bottle; the 3-bottle package, a 90-day supply at $69 per bottle; and the most popular choice, the 6-bottle package, which gives you 180 days at just $49 per bottle and includes free shipping. On top of that, every order is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, meaning you can try it risk-free and decide if it's right for you. Now, if you're asking me for my honest take, this is one of those supplements that's easy to recommend. It's not just another lose weight fast gimmick, it's built around your body's natural detox and fat burning system, which makes sense. And with the bundles, especially the 6-bottle plan, you're getting a strong value plus the best chance to see long-term results. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, check out the official website through the link in the description. There you'll find the discounts, the bundles, and more details. One more reminder, don't waste time searching. To make sure you're in the right place, the official link is in the description. And don't forget to like the video.